Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Epic Games stuck on verifying. So if you're encountering this issue, everything that needs to be done is pretty much just erasing all of the files related to your game installation. So pretty much just clean installing the game. But the thing is, sometimes when you install the game through Epic Games, or just any other launcher, Steam as well, some of the files are not getting removed. So say you just logged in into Epic Games, you just go uninstall the game, and you know, some files are still remain on your drive, and you need to remove them all. So for example, if say you installed Fortnite, for example, through Epic Games and you wish to fix this stuck on verifying, I recommend using this Everything app. This app allows to search your entire computer, and this will allow us to search all of the files related to well, any game pretty much on Epic Games, for example Fortnite. So you just type in Fortnite like that in here, and then you choose all the files, and then you just go ahead and type it, and then you right click and just delete, or just press delete on your keyboard, and this should fix it. And because you've deleted effectively all of the files related to that game, then you just go ahead and reinstall it, and everything should be perfect now. Pretty easy fix. Enjoy, my friends. If this helps, don't forget to leave a comment about that, and I will see you soon.